Today in this video, I'll show you how can you redeem your Amazon gift card to your balance on Amazon. Just follow carefully with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Head out to Amazon from there and make sure you have the app updated for everything to work properly. After that, quit the store and you can finally go ahead and open the Amazon app. Of course, make sure you are logged into your account, and once the app loads up, go ahead and tap on this icon in the bottom right there. It will take you here. Wait for this page to fully load up again. And once it does, go ahead and tap on your account right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and then scroll down and tap right here on Manage Gift Card Balance. In this next page, tap on Redeem Another Gift Card. And from here, go ahead and get the code from your gift card and paste it, or just put it right here and tap on Apply to your balance. And that is how can you redeem a gift card on Amazon. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.